Hi, how you guys doing? I'm Ben Holt. I'm a Black Label Trading Company, Blackwork Studio, Million Cigars. I'm here at Zodi'x Cigar Lounge up in Georgetown. Just going to talk a little bit about Black Label, Blackworks, and Million, and what we got. Everything's made out of Ave Negra, black sheep down in Esteli, Nicaragua, with grade A quality tobacco. Everything from medium to full body. We don't do anything in a mild sense, traditional mild sense. We do everything a little bit more flavor, a little bit more power. We got the Black Label line up here, Royalty, Benediction, Salvation, Lawless, Last Rites. Benediction's going to be more on that milder side, that medium spectrum, along with the Royalty. We got Salvation and Lawless, solid medium-bodied smokes. And we got the Last Rites, which is the flagship of our core line, more powerful, full-bodied cigars. We got our Blackwork Studio down here, one of my favorites, the MBK. I always say you get two cigars in one with the MBK. We got the Killer Bee and the Green Hornet, both very unique Ecuadorian Maduro cigars. Green Hornet has that candela foot, gives you a little bit of uniqueness up front. You gotta definitely try that along with the Rorschach. Over here we got the Cavatina LJZ and the Gromolkin. These are part of the Emilio line, made out of Ave Negra. Cavatina, definitely a full-bodied LJZ, solid medium body with some creamy spiciness to it. And then the Gromolkin, this is a 100% Nicaraguan Puro. So if you want to know what Nicaraguan tobacco is about, pick up that Gromolkin. We got some limited editions over here, the Deliverance Nocturne and the Porcelain. If you want something with a lot of power, Pennsylvania broadleaf on the wrapper and the filler, definitely pick up that Nocturne. But if you want something a little bit more on the milder side, definitely try this new Porcelain out. A lot of people have been liking it, ranting and raving over it. Definitely a different kind of Connecticut, not your father's Connecticut. Give it a try, give it a whirl. We got some other stuff coming out. Bishop's Blends coming out in February. Definitely a full body limited edition. It'll be here in the shop, so come on down to Zodiac and see what you can get.